Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a cool song from the Kid LAROI, alright? It's a perfect world, that's what it sings about. We have 5 chords, very simple. Without any capo, let's go into it, alright? We're gonna go over the chords. We're gonna start with the A minor 7, okay? So that will be open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next one is the F major 7. Okay, so third D, second G, first B, and open E. Next we have the E, and that will be open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And then we have the D minor as well. Open D, second G, third B, first E. And speaking of E, that's the last chord. We're gonna go with the minor now. So E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. So there we have it, both the E and E minor. And there we have all the 5 chords. Now, this is a song about 4 rows, so to speak. We're gonna play A minor, F major, and E for the first 3 rounds, and the fourth and final round we're gonna play D minor, E minor, and F major, and E. All right, so that is what's just rolling here through the entire song. Now, how do we handle it? We have a strumming pattern that is divided into 2 different parts. So we're gonna check that out first. So we're gonna look into the transition here from A minor, part 1, to F major 7 part 2, okay? So that goes like this. Okay, so there we have 1 full string around, 2 parts. So part 1, A minor, goes down, down, clap. And that's it. So down, down, clap. And then you shift chord, in this case, to the F major, and play down, up, down, clap, down. So down, up, down, clap, down. And that is 1 full round. That is my take on how to play this song. This is no obvious guitar playing in this, so you can actually hear what's done, but this fits the beat and rhythm that goes on here in this song. So yeah, you can do this in different ways. This is my take. I just want to push that out there. So again, down, down, clap, and the next part is down, up, down, clap, down, like this. Okay, so we're gonna start the song by playing that. So A minor, part 1, F major, part 2, and then you're gonna stay on that F major 7 and play the starting of down, down, clap, down, up, down. So almost 1 full round. You're gonna play the part 1 plus that down, up, down from part 2. All that's on the F major 7. So A minor plus F major 7, like this. And then you're gonna go into the E and play just 2 downs or the last clap down from part 2. It's up to you, but I would play the 2 downs. And that will end 1 round. 3 rounds like this, okay? So you're gonna play round 1, round 2, round 3 like that. So let's give it 1 full round. 3 rounds of that. Then on the 4th and final round, you're gonna play D minor, 1 down. Then the E minor, 1 down. And then you go to play the F major 7, 1 full round. That means part 1 and part 2, plus that down, down, clap, down, up, down. So almost 2 full rounds. And then you end with, again, the E 2 downs or clap down. So that will be the 4th and final round. So D minor, 1 down, E minor, 1 down, and then comes F major, 1 full round plus down, down, clap, down, 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 clap. And then E 2 downs. All right. So just for you to understand what's going on here, we're gonna play these 4 rounds, and they will just repeat themselves throughout this song from the beginning till the very end. I'm gonna give you round number 3 and round number 4, so understand the transition there and the difference between these different chord progressions. So let's go for 3 and 4. This. And that's it, my friends. The Kid LAROI is done again with a perfect world. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. 5 chords, not too hard. And that's it. If you like this tutorial, then show me some love, give me a thumb up, and be back here for next upload. Thank you so much, guys. See you soon, and play tuned.